ABC4's Nick McGurk was at today's press conference with the governor. He joins us now with more on what protections employees have during these uncertain times.
And today at the state capitol, Governor Gary Herbert saying he knows how difficult this is for employees and employers during this pandemic. But we also learned how tricky it can be for employees who have real concerns about coming to work over getting COVID-19. An email obtained by ABC4 News begins with an employee asking for sick time over concerns about COVID-19. To her surprise, her supervisor wrote this, quote, "We advise you to open a medical leave of absence by calling the ERC, that's the Employee Resource Center, if you're not feeling well, and provide the leave team documentation from your doctor that states the time off you need to recover. Medical leave of absence would need to be 7 consecutive days off to be approved," they wrote. So we asked state officials today about whether a doctor's note should be asked for during this pandemic.
Please do not require a doctor's note to come back to work or to leave work. That adds to the burden of our healthcare providers, and that's something we desperately want to avoid. They're busy enough working with very sick individuals and working to help us end this pandemic. The last thing they need is frivolous doctor's notes.
ABC4 also heard from another employee at the Amazon Fulfillment Center who told us, quote, "A worker tested positive, but they said they have it under control." So we asked the health department what obligations an employer has to inform workers about a positive case.
Whenever public health learns of a positive COVID-19 case, and we are required to know about all positive COVID-19 cases, we investigate all close contacts, and that includes business and employer contacts as well. And we work directly with employers to give them recommendations and guidance on how to clean their business place and also how to notify and allow people who were close contacts to be on home quarantine for 2 weeks. And so anybody who's come into close contact with someone with COVID-19, public health would reach out to them directly.
Although Amazon didn't respond to our request for comment today, the email sent to the employee requesting sick time did say, quote, "We are doing all we can to continuously sanitize common areas daily," adding, quote, "We hope you feel better and appreciate your understanding during this difficult time." When it comes to places like restaurants, for example, and how sanitary they are, we're told they are doing a great job trying to keep those restaurants sanitary, but also it is up to local health departments to really monitor those to make sure they are keeping up with everything necessary during this COVID-19 pandemic. At the Capitol tonight, I'm Nick McGurk, ABC4 News.